Alright guys, this is a quick unboxing of the new Xbox 2TB Series X that I got from the Black Friday deal. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Comes with the ultra high-speed HDMI cable, power cord, the beautiful remote with a two-tone green and a new style of remote. There you go, guys. Alright. So this is purely unboxing, and thanks for watching. And if you have a question about this, just let me know, and see you in my next video.